This is where the actual shop is going to be. Been trying to see, I got that corner put in, got this one here. I've been trying to lay out for the, so I can dig the holes for the pillars, or just kind of start them, because you can see it's supposed to be raining. So when I do, I'm gonna rent an auger to dig them down, probably about 3 feet, and that way there'll be some water in there to make it softer, so when I rent the auger, it'll be easier to dig them down. It looks like it's about to start raining. Wind's picking up. This is what I've made. This is actually going to be the kennels. From this post to here. That's going to be the kennel area that I'm about to pour the concrete in. Got this side formed out all the way down. That side, I'm getting the other side done now. See, I got the string line. Let me get off here. I got to get some of this stuff that might get blown away screwed down. Got all these holes started for the pillars. Every 8 feet. It's supposed to be raining. It said it was going to rain. I was trying to beat the rain yesterday, and it barely sprinkled. I was hoping to get wet because this ground is hard under the sand and the gravel. Got to dig one more over here in every corner. I had the blocks there. I'm going to set these boards up to set up my string lines. So I can get the brackets, metal brackets in the pillars lined up straight. And then I was trying to figure out, because this is the line, the chalk line. I don't know if you can see, it's pink. For the level of the concrete slab is going to go in there, but I'm gonna dig the posts up first, have them dug out so I can do them all at the same time. When I do that slab, I'll do the pillars at the same time. I have to go buy the brackets and probably weld them. Then I'll rent an auger to dig up the hose the rest of the way. I was just hoping it'd be wet, but if not, I'm probably going to just put water in them. So when I rent the auger, it'll be a lot quicker and get it all done in one day. And this one shouldn't be here. This is going to be from here to here. It's going to be a 12-foot door. So I guess I just was sprinkling yesterday. I thought it was going to rain, so I'm kind of in a hurry. It's going to be a big door where I can drive in a truck if I need to. I've got something big to unload. Like if I ever need it, whenever I get a meal, it's going to be sitting there. Actually, what I was going to do is make a lean-to on this side, just like I did on that side. Make a lean-to on this side for the mill. That way I can just bring stuff in from over here. Just bring stuff in the pose. And that'll be less weight, so I can make a 20-foot span. So I have an opening right into the mill, so I can bring up to 20-foot long logs or posts or whatever. This how it's going. I got like I said, I just got most of this done. Got all this stuff cleaned out here. got to move that table, but I'm just going to take it apart because this is just a temporary. I mean, it works good, it's level and everything's straight, but it's just temporary because I need to get all this plywood up off the ground. So that's probably what I'll work on now. Finally got the steel up. I took it down like 4 or 5 times trying to figure out a way where I wouldn't have to bring it down, take it down anymore. No matter what, I'm going to bring it down for the truck to come in from the side and pour in the slab. So I need to come down, and then I use the bottom boards to level it out from one end to the other. So I'm going to need to take them down anyways, but I'm hoping I can do it by next week. But if I don't, I wanted to have this metal up pretty good. It just adds support and makes it more sturdy in case there's a strong wind in the storm or whatever. Because right now they're just being held up by the T-post, keep them from moving either ways, and it should keep them from going up too, so it won't be lifted up. But there's really not much weight except the weight of the framed up plywood. I mean 2x and the steel. So, but everything's still in line. Chalk line is good, straight line. So it hasn't moved. So I'm kind of proud of that. Appreciate y'all watching. Y'all have a good one.